If you're like me and you love dried flowers and you have them all over your house, keep watching this video because I'm going to show you how to preserve them and another really cool way to display them that I just came up with that I haven't seen before. And it helps keep all of the dried flowers off of your surfaces so you have more room for live plants or whatever else you want to put there. And it also helps keep them up and out of the way so that you don't damage them at all. This is the bouquet we're working with. You see we have a lot of different flowers in here. So the first thing that you want to do is grab a stronghold hairspray. You want to make sure it's a stronghold hairspray. This is the one I have. And we're going to spray the bouquet to help the petals all stick, so then when we're handling this, it doesn't just drop all the petals everywhere. Also get your dog out of the way first. Alright, while that dries, we're going to work on the next step, which is hanging up our wall holder for our dried flowers. Now you can either use a nail with these, or you can use one of the command hooks. I find that this one works the best, but you could try a bunch of different varieties. This has a little hole in the back, little keyhole shape, so you can hang it up just like any other picture that you have. We kind of want to eyeball where we want things. If you're a really particular person and you want to like measure things, you can do that, but I'm just kind of like a wing it and go type of person. I have one of these already ready. So we have our command strip here already ready to go, and we're gonna get this stuck up on the wall. So kind of visualize where we want it in the middle here. You just stick that on the wall. You want to make sure you press this down so that it doesn't peel off of your wall. Now this is going to hold dried flowers, so it's not really very heavy, so you don't need to use a super strong command strip, and then we'll just hang that up there. Alright, now we're ready to throw in our dried flower bouquet. I'm going to go grab it. Alright, these guys are dry from the hairspray, and you want to kind of visualize how you're going to put this in the holder. I can tell that this side is more of the front side because that side has a lot more leaves. So I'm just going to gently take this out and put it in here. You want to gently guide the bouquet into the holder and spread it out. Look at how freaking good that looks. Hold on, I'll take you to have a... This is the bouquet up on the wall. I think it looks so cute up there, and it keeps everything up and out of the way. I love how the stems hang down a little bit. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this design. That turned out so much better than I expected it. I'm super excited about this. I'm about to go hang up a bunch of other dried flower bouquets around the house. I'll take some videos of that to show you the other designs. I actually designed and 3D printed this thing myself, and I will have them up in my Etsy shop if this is something that you're interested in. If you have any other design requests or colors, let me know, but I will link those in the caption. Go check them out and have fun decorating your house with all of your dried flower bouquets.